Our university, RWTH, is a globally recognized university with a strong focus on engineering and natural sciences and one of the 10 German universities of excellence. The state-of-the-art backup service needed storage of the capacity and functionality like we see in an HCP. On the organizational side, this came alongside our project to consolidate data protection for most of our state's universities at a few large university data centers, so there was no real prior pain, but a clear view that the newly designed service could only be realized with the newly designed infrastructure, and when looking at the market, we quickly found Hitachi Vantara. The value proposition of this service in total is to be able to restore all stored data in case it's needed. So this proposition relies on the storage layer, of course, that by itself has to guarantee the persistency and the availability of all stored data. A lot of our reputation is connected to this project, and simply being able to deliver to actually supply the first batch of other universities with this service added very much to this reputation. As a highlight, during last fall, we were able to perform the emergency onboarding of one of our partner universities within a couple of days. They were very happy, as well as the users that already experienced quick restore operation. When we started, almost all of our universities had their own local backup service in place. And when we started our overall project, we were going on to redesign the complete service, to have self-service across universities, to transport the data across universities, to have this consolidation. We have a huge gain in the benefit of the business process we now are able to run. Since before we had just backup and hopefully restore, and now we have no more backup windows. We have the ability to run any backup, any restore 24/7. We have very quick restores whenever one asks, but the benefit side has been greatly improved.